Have you ever wondered which car brands are the most popular in the US? Here are the top 5 best-selling brands you need to know. Number 5. Nissan. Reliable and budget-friendly. A go-to for value-conscious drivers. Number 4. Honda. A long-time favorite for sedans and compact SUVs. At number 3, we got Chevrolet, known for delivering solid value, especially in the truck segment. At number 2, we got Ford, a leader in truck and SUVs with a loyal customer base. And number 1, Toyota. You guessed it, Toyota dominates the market with strong performance in sedans, SUVs, and hybrids. So, what does this mean for your locksmith business? These are the cars people drive and lose keys for. That's why your shop should always be stocked with key replacements for these top brands. At Locksmith Keyless, we provide a wide range of high-quality automotive remote keys, so you're never out of stock when your customers needs you the most. Visit our website today and restock your inventory with our unbeatable deals.